I've built a lot of K'NEX roller coasters over the years, but I've mostly used the micro-track. Today, I thought it would be fun to try and use the standard size found in the Screamin Serpent set as well as others. The first thing we need is, of course, the car. I have just the classic 3-train Screamin Serpent car. And here is all my tubing, not a whole lot, and they're in a whole bunch of different pieces. I have boosters, but I'm probably not going to use them. The next thing we need are the cross ties, which I should have somewhere in this bin. Let's have a look. My flexi rod should be in one of these containers. Let's have a quick peek. Not that one. Here we go. Now I have everything ready and I can begin building. I have these leftover bases from my last project that I'm going to reuse for a nice strong foundation for this project. I extended the base out a little bit. Hopefully this will be big enough. I'm probably going to have to do something pretty small just because I don't have a lot of track, so this should be a good start. I don't really know where to go now, so I guess I'll build this station. Wish me luck. Quick little update. I built a little station, and I'm going to try and work backwards just so I can make sure the car has enough speed. It's not actually that bad. It's pretty smooth, and I think I'm just going to get right back to building. I'm having a lot of fun building this. I keep just pushing it down and around. It's kind of janky right there and right here. The profiling isn't perfect, but I'm having a lot of fun building it, so we'll see how this goes. I've been building for a little bit now. Added some tube supports. They don't look the best, but I'm not really sure how to connect them to the track. But it's not bad. I have been building for quite a while now, but I'm just not super excited with the layout I've come up with. I think I'm gonna try and restart and take this apart. I have a new idea, so I'm gonna give that a shot. After restarting, I built a lift hill. Here's how it turned out. I'm surprised that I was able to get it working, even though the train is really heavy. It does run a little slow. I don't know if there's anything I can do about it, but I think this should work. My supply of cross ties is diminishing pretty quickly. I've already used almost all of my yellows, my yellow cross ties. I still have a good amount of the flexi rods. I don't know where some of these random colors came from, but I have them, and I'll probably have to use them. So we'll see. I'm thinking next doing like an overbank 180-degree turn. I think that'll swell do, and then I'll probably like go under the little airtime hill. Progress is coming along well. I finished the overbank and a small airtime hill. The overbank was like the hardest thing I've ever built. It was kind of annoying to get the track right. I built a whole bunch of little supports and connected it to the structure. That was kind of cool. I was gonna have it go under the bigger airtime hill, but I'm just not gonna have enough cross ties to do that. I hope I have enough to finish the layout. I only have 2 cross ties left. I added another airtime hill, and I want to finish the layout, so I'm probably going to see if I can find a like 50 pack of cross ties on eBay. I should have enough tubing, but I just don't have the cross ties. I should have enough of the flexi rods as well. I guess we'll see in the next clip. I got a package. No, I did not buy Connects from Costco. This is just the box that the seller shipped it in. I initially was going to get just the cross ties, but I found a big bulk pack, so I bought that. Alright, I just weighed it out. It was about just under 25 pounds. So I've got quite a bit of stuff in here, some of which I haven't even seen before. Like, I've never even seen this. Looks kind of interesting. I'm gonna open it up and see what's in it. So I got quite a bit of pieces with this. I don't really feel like organizing them right now, so I'm just gonna show you some of the cool stuff that I got. I don't even know what this is. And there's like these gold rods and connectors. These are pretty cool. And I got another train in case I ever want to use it. But I mostly got it for the cross ties. It's probably around 100 plus of them. I don't know, I haven't counted them. But it should be enough to finish the build, which is... I took all the track off, or the tubing off, because I didn't think this was going to show up so soon. But it came 3 days early, so that's cool. After going through the box, I finished the layout, added an airtime hill into a station, just pretty basic. It's just a little platform, as well as a pre-lift section. Not very smooth because I kind of ran out of cross ties again, but that's okay, finished it. Before I show you the coaster in action, I would like to thank a bunch of other creators, because a lot of the building techniques I used, they came up with. I will link their channels in the description. Anyway, if you made it this far into the video, you may as well give the video a like. Here's my take on a standard size Connects roller coaster.